Hi, my name is Madison, and today I'm going to show you how to update email notification settings for your store. Starting at your dashboard, navigate to Settings, Notifications. Here, you'll see a list of automated emails that are currently being sent to your customers. You can choose which emails you want sent by clicking the toggle on or off next to each of the email types. If you're on a paid plan, you can make edits to the email template by clicking Edit next to the email you want to make changes to. If you scroll past each of the email types, you will also see more settings. You can choose if you want to send invoices with your email confirmations. You can also edit the sender's name. And you can even upload a logo that will be sent with all of your emails. Additionally, below that, you will see notifications that will be sent to you. For example, you can choose whether or not you'd like an email to be sent every time a new order is placed or when your stock is running low. Additionally, this is where you can also change which email address is being used as your admin email.